Hi everyone, how are you guys? Anyway, welcome to my live stream. My name is Daniel Trader, Daniel Super Trader, Daniel Trader, Daniel Tradings. And you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, I'm live today, and I'm your trader. I'm back again to show you the basic market strategies, market moves, risk management, how you can trade your way through. Talk about trading and different styles, guys. Anyway, anything through, I bring it to you too. Okay, whatever I get out to the market, I bring it to you too, guys. Anyway, I'm your trader today, and I'm live today. We're going to be looking at different market strategies, market trends, market life trials. So, guys, bear with me. Let's move on together. And basically, of course, this is nice, something nice. I wouldn't wish anything, but I important disclaimer before we start the live stream. Educational purposes right now. Everything I do right now for educational purposes. So that's a little disclaimer I can give out to everyone. And one other risk: trading involves risks. Okay, so hey, don't go to trading thinking you're gonna be making profits only and think you're gonna be coming out only. Come on, guys. Trading is also involving risks. You can't be involving, Come on, And this is all about trading. What I can tell you when I can tell you about trading is simple. Follow the trend, follow the market structures, follow the shadows, see where it goes, see where it moves, and know what comes out next. Anyway, I'm on the OTC currently market. I'm on OTC markets right now. OTC basically means over-the-counter markets, and over-the-counter markets are really nice to trade with right now. They have very good timing, very good strategies, and OTC markets are very nice, by the way, guys. Whenever you're trying to trade and you're trading out there and you're looking for a good market, try out OTC. OTC markets are good. OTC markets are nice. Yeah. Okay. As you see my chart, my time frame is gonna be 15 seconds. My counter time frame is gonna be 5 seconds, and then my expiry time is gonna be 15 seconds. So that's my trading style right there. Why do I use 15 seconds? 15 seconds are easy to execute, first of all, and it is faster to execute. Once you put execute a trade at a 15 seconds time frame, hey, what do you expect? It's gonna come out nice. So this is basically small nice. Hope you guys are enjoying. Okay. As I was telling you earlier, when if you look at my videos, my old videos, you get to know that the market is sometimes based on the way it moves, the moving average, the short periods, the quick time trends. So some people use different indicators. Some use the RSI or the oscillator, the Bollinger Bands. So me basically, I like using the RSI, and when my moving indicators come in, I like using the Bollinger Bands. So some use the market. And everyone who has his own indicator, they understand basically. But may I understand the RSI and the Bollinger Bands, the oscillator too. I also understand that too. It comes out well in handy and does everything magically. And guys, don't be scared of trading, guys. Okay, this is something way off, Anyway, look about me. I've been doing trading for quite a while, actually. And I've come out well. Anyway, basically trading is what brought me out here. And I had to come out and share my ideas with you guys. Anyway, I wouldn't want to see anyone, any other trader out there, and they're struggling hard, coming out. Things are hard, things are not moving on. Shit, boys, come on, wanna still be a boy, man? Anyway, this game is totally off the risk, off the hook. Okay, because you're trading on very small time frames, speed per session and discipline are extremely important, guys. By the way, whenever you're trading on very small time frames, let's say 15 seconds, 13 seconds, 30 seconds, and it's indicators like just basically what we call just small confirmation. So, but when you're trading in OTC market, there's what we call price action. You get it? Price action. Anyway, price action comes first. Speed, precision, and discipline. What do I mean by discipline? Don't overtrade. What are you trading? Discipline. You have lost a first trade of 500 and then you increase the amount. Bro, what are you doing, brother? What are you doing, brother? What are you doing? Huh? Discipline. You need discipline in this game. Come on. Huh? Don't be excited. If you have made a profit, if it's time, move out of the game. Relax, rest. But don't be impulsive and come back again. Hey, the market can be bad. The market can be having bad karma. You'll be striked out before you know it. Anyway, that's the market. What else you need about the small time frame? Speed. You look at the confirmation. Let's say a lower shadow comes in big. Approximately like 5 pips. Oh, that is heavy. Anyway, a 5 pip candle with a very long shadow. If you see another shadow coming in as a confirmation, please, you have to be fast with executing that trade. Let's say I put it right now. It's gonna be pulled out. I short it. Be fast. Short it. Short it. Because you have seen that moving average. They're coming out. But the more you lose time, 15 seconds can be fast. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. You're gone. First of all, you're having candle time frames of 5 seconds. And the expiry time is 15 seconds. What do you expect? Anyway, my trading style is ultra short term scalping. You know, that's my trading style. My indicators, I use the moving average, the short period for, you know, quick trend, direction, and RSI for the fast reaction, overbought and oversold conditions. And anyway, what do I explain my strategy? How should I explain it very well to you guys? How I can explain my strategy? The micro trends. Step 1, identify the micro trends. If the price is a consistency above the moving average, I look for call entries. If the price is, let's say, consistently above the moving average, I look for call entries. And if the price is consistently below the moving average, of course I'll look for the put entries. What do I mean by moving average? If you look at the indicator, let's say the oscillator and the RSI, you have the digits there at 10, 20, and 80, or 20, 40, and 80. So the moving average, what you call, is the middle line. Your consistent above is moving above, you call. It's below, you put. On a 5 seconds candle, I don't fight that trend. I trade with momentum. You don't. Why would you fight with that trend? Just don't trade with momentum. If the trend is moving up, follow the trend. Don't overfight that trend. Let's say it's moving up. It's going up. Why would you fight with that trend? So guys, trading, I hear people say trading is hard, but trading is not hard. It's you guys making it hard. It's not rocket science. It's basically moving and look. Then I'll look for a short, because it has bounced, it has moved down. Anyway, small pullbacks and micro support resistance work best in OTC. So in OTC markets, pullbacks are always common. Okay, there's what you call a resistance there, and there's a micro support. So this is common in the OTC, and they work best in OTC markets. As I said earlier, OTC, over the counter market is 24/7. These guys don't close up. Right now we have markets that close on weekends. We have markets that close in the night. The USA market, the New York, the London session, the New York session. These guys always have to close up, but the OTC market doesn't close. You see a market with let's say Brent oil OTC, gold OTC, Apple OTC. As long as you see OTC on it, and different liquidities have different payouts. Why is my payout above? My payout is above, I know, because my account is Elite and VIP Elite. I'm having more payout structure because my account is a VIP account. That's why my account is like this. It's having a more payout. Okay, let's go. Let me see here. Anyway, I was still telling you about my strategy. Before entering a trade, price to pull back slightly, not aggressively, but before entering a trade, what do I need before entering a trade? I first look at the price. If the price is pulling up back slightly and not aggressively, the reaction is, of course, that's a quick overbought or oversold signal. I strongly reject an account of a fast momentum shift. What basically what do I mean by this? This is what I mean by this. No confirmation, no trade. Confirmation, trade. Simple as that. So that's why I told you earlier. This ain't hard, and trading is not rocket science. So people out there being like, "Hey, trading is hard. Trading is trading is not what? Blah blah blah." Come on, guys. Trading is not hard. It's not rocket science. You don't need to go to class and then do all that. Come, look at the candles, know what you're doing, set up your setup session very well, and then look for the best market out there. Best market areas that I can tell you is a Brent oil, that's a good market. Silver is a good market. I hear the Oz card, the Oz 200, the old card, the Australian dollar, of course, the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. Those things are nice. We have the OUS 200, the OTC markets. Those are also nice. Then we also have the gold session for the OTC. Is also nice. So these markets are all having good confirmations, and then they also have good reaction. Another thing I can tell you about our OTC markets. OTC markets don't really trend with the news. Like, let's say you're having a gold session, goes USD versus a gold. Sometimes they're affected by the market, by the news. The big orange guy will come out and be like, boom, then everything goes down. Anyway, this is my live stream today. Thanks everyone for joining. My name is Daniel Super Trader, Daniel Trading, Daniel Trader. That's me. That's my name, and I'm here to show you basic market strategies, basic market moves. Any question that you have, please hit the chat section. Hit me up with a question that you want me to answer. Let me answer you, chap, and then let me tell you what's wrong with you. You can ask me anything that is different. Ask me anything that is running on the market, and I will tell you the answer basically. So right now, I'm here to show you guys what you need, what you haven't done, what you need to improve, and then what you have to add in. This is simple, basic. Okay. Anyway, right now we're on the OTC market, and my candle is my candle time frame is 5 seconds. Prices are respecting the moving average and are trading upwards. We get small pullbacks, of course. There's small pullbacks in the market, but we don't have to worry about that because we have our indicators down there showing us what to do. Anyway, in scalping, when you're scalping the market, timing is everything. When you're scalping the market, timing is everything. Let's say I'm having a 15 seconds time frame. Of course, my time frame is 15 seconds, and I have to react fast. So there's no time here to think about any your move. You have to react fast, guys. React fast. Risk management, of course, guys. Remember I told you, short time frames. All you need is speed, precision, and discipline. Discipline is a must, guys. Discipline is important. Risk management is very important. On a 15 second time frame, risk management is non-negotiable. You're supposed to be very curious about this, guys. Let's say I risk only 0.55%. Let's say equals 1% per trade. I'm risking, let's say, 1% per trade. Okay. First of all, avoid Martinango and ultra short time frames. Avoid those. Let's say a trade comes in, you haven't confirmed it, and then you put it or you short it. Guess what? You're gone. The market is going with you, guys. So very important to notice about this is risk management. Maximum losses you can endure before increasing your capital is let's say like 3 in a row. You're having 3 losses in a row, please maximize that. When you get more than 3 losses in a row, please pause. First pause, take a break, think about it, come back again. Okay? First of all, you're going to blow up your account. You're going to lose a lot. You're going to blow up your account, guys. Accounts ain't easy be made. You're going to blow up your account. So scalping is about protecting your capital first. Capital first, profits later. When you protect your capital, then you're good to go. You're having 90 more chances of winning than losing. Your chances of winning are higher than losing. So protect your capital first. Profits come in later. Don't mind about the profits because you're first of all protecting about your capital. First protect your capital. Once you protect your capital, you feel you're having 500 USD as a capital. Protect it. Let it be safe. Make sure that it's safe. Trade slowly. Low percentages. Maximum losses must be 3. And before trading, first confirm your trade before trading. First confirm. A common mistake to avoid when you're doing this. If you're struggling, you might be doing this. One of the things. Let's say, I know some of you there are over, you're struggling, and you might be doing one of these if you're struggling. Let's say you might be over trading. I know some of you be over trading. You're trading without confirmation, increasing of lot size after a loss. That's what I told you earlier in risk management, guys. If you have lost more than 3 times and you're having, let's say, 500 USD as your capital, decrease, calm down a bit, go back to 100, 1%, go back to 1%. When you hit it back again, then you will come back later when you're done. That's what I said. Protect your capital, profits later, and that's it. So I know some of you are having mistakes. So you're doing these mistakes. You're over trading. You're trading without confirmation. You're increasing your loss size after a loss, ignoring support and resistance. Discipline is more important in this game, guys. You need discipline. I know I said about the speed and precision, but again, you need discipline. Discipline is more important in these things. You can't be a trader without disciplines. You can't be a trader without discipline. You need discipline, guys. Trading is basically hard. Trading is hard if you don't have discipline. That's why I tell most of my people and most of my friends, what happened? Then you find out, and then you'll be telling earlier, I was impulsive. I tried to do a revenge on the market. I lost, and then I tried to come in back earlier with a sharp turn. Ooh, oh my God, you'll be gone. Anyway, let's watch this as we come over on slowly. Let's just continue watching this slowly. Let me quite show you how this moves. Look at the market carefully before you enter your position. So first look at this. Look at this before you enter your position. As I said earlier, my name is Daniel Trader, Daniel Live Trading, Daniel Super Trading, Daniel Trader. That is my name. Anyway, before you do anything else, remember to subscribe, share, like, and follow. Anyway, when you subscribe, please hit the notification up there. In case of a new video comes out, it's you to watch it first, okay? And leave your comments down. I'm reading your comments, guys. Read your comments down. Leave your comments down. Leave your chats down. I'm reading your everything, okay? I'm reading your comments. I'm reading your chat section. Bring in your ideas. Let's share in ideas. Let's see what to do. And let's move on together. So, guys, I'm here for you. Any questions that you guys have, I'm here to give you answers for that, okay? Whatever you think about that is wrong, I'm here to give you answers about that, okay? I'm looking to make these trade live sessions every day. I want to make these live sessions every day for you. I'm ready to make live sessions every day. To make sure that live sessions come out every day, coming in with different market strategies, coming in different market structures, coming in different markets, I'm here to put in my life and put in my goal in trading every day. I've had quite fun. I've moved around the world. I've had quite fun, and I'm trying to separate now. Yeah. Before moving out around, I was really broke, but when trading came into my life, changed it everything. I made it, and I thank God for that. I traveled a lot. I traveled all around. I've seen a lot of things, and I've enjoyed things. So now I'm trying to settle down, and before settling down, I was like, you know what? Let me make a live stream. Tell my people, tell everyone that is watching, tell my friends, my family, these things ain't hard. Let's share our minds. Let's share our mindset together. Let's share our strategies. If you have a strategy out there and you feel like you want to bring into my table, put in the chat section down there. Put in the comment section down there. Say it. Let's share our mind. Let's share our minds together. Okay. Let's be together with this and make sure everything moves on. Anyway, let's continue watching this. Okay. Let me see this how it goes. Hope you're seeing this market, guys. Hope you're seeing this trend. It's moving very well, huh? I love this. I love this. I love this. This shows pure money and pure winnings. Woo! Jackpots. I know. Wow. This shows pure market structures and pure moving. Anyway, guys. If you look at other traders out there and you see, they have their different strategies and how they move their things. So everyone has his own moving structure and his own moving game, but we are all different. Come on, we're all different. We're all coming with different style, different basic style. Come on, guys. And look about this and let's see how it moves. Okay, let's go. Woo. Wow, this is nice. This is a nice move. This is a nice stand. Look at this stand. Look at this stand, guys. Look at this stand. This is a nice stand. Okay, here it comes. Wow. All these peeps have what we call good income and good profits. But the problem is you don't move in where you're over struggling there. You don't confirm your price. You're over trading and you're not protecting your capital. So that's the problem. But if you look at all stock things, if you have a pen down, notice this. Notice. If you have a pen down, notice what we call over trading. Notice your confirmation and protecting your capital. The key structures there is protecting your capital, discipline, speed, and precision. Those are the key capital in this. That's the key of trading. Discipline, speed, precision, and capital protection. So basically capital protection falls under discipline, right? I think so. Protecting capital falls under discipline, right? Not so? So I think this is the same, not so? Anyway, let's continue moving and see where it goes. Let's see where it moves. Once you note those things down there, you will find out that the market is easy and the market is easy to trade. So as long as you know what you're doing, everything comes out well, inshallah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. Okay, hit the notification button. I'm gonna be live every day. I'm gonna be streaming every day, showing you guys how it's done. I'm gonna be sharing my strategies. So that's why I'm telling you guys, if you have any question, if you have anything to imply about, anything to inquire about, just write down in the chat section. Write your name. I don't know. Write where you're from, and then put in what you think about. Write what your mind talks about. Okay? Because I'm here, guys. I'm here for you. I'm here for everyone, and I'm here to show what everything what you need to do. I'm here to show you what everything needs and everything what you need to do. So as I told you earlier, those who are joining us, the OTC market is over the counter markets, and these guys don't close 24. They are open 24/7. These guys are open 24/7. 24/7. What do I mean by 24/7? Whenever you want to trade, you wake up out of bed, ready to trade, enter the market. Boom, fire. So that's what I'm telling you. OTC market, I love them. They're so beautiful. I love them. Wow, this is a nice move. Let's go. Yep. Wow, this is a nice one. I love such trends, eh? And let's talk about this. Let's talk about the motivation and mindset. Um, if you're having a low mindset down there and you're having a weak mindset, remember this: trading is 80% physiology. The 20% is your strategy. Trading is all about thinking, deep thinking, guys. Physiology down there. The 20% goes into strategy and goes into the indicators. That's the 20%. What your mind tells you, your mindset tells you. If your mind tells you to put in, short it. Short. Your mind tells you to call it, why are you waiting for? Call it. Your mind has seen the shadow, it has come in. As your mind has seen the confirmation, what are you waiting for, guys? And losses are part of the game, by the way. If you're out there and you're having more than some losses, losses are part of the game. I used to lose a lot. You don't know, guys. I used to lose a lot, guys. And losses are part of the game, and losses can teach you what to do. Because I know, as a normal human being, you can't fall in shit today and then tomorrow you fall in the same shit. Don't so? So I don't know why you fall in shit every day without learning. Look at that shit today. See your problem. Go back to your history. See where you made a mistake. See what happened. Go back and attack there. Okay? So I wouldn't expect you to fall in the same shit every day. What made you first think about it? What made you fall in that shit? Were you over trading? Were you trading without a confirmation? Were you increasing your lot size every after a loss? Or were you ignoring your support and resistance? If you're doing one of those, over trading, trading without a confirmation, increasing the lot size after a loss, and ignoring loss, support and resistance, then your discipline is off the charts. The discipline is off, totally off. So follow the over trading. See if you're over trading. Make sure you're not over trading. Trading without a confirmation, please don't do that. As I said earlier, no confirmation, no trade. Confirmation, trade. Increasing lot size after a loss. Who does that? Huh? Even the orange guy doesn't do that. Anyway, the orange guy is. So I don't know about other people. Anyway, about that, some other people have this saying of, if I increase my loss, I'll make it out big and big and big. Who tells you that? Come on, guys. You're supposed to protect your profits, protect your capital, guys. Stop ignoring the support and resistance. Stop doing that. That is not human of people. Ignoring support and resistance? No. And if you're enjoying the live session there, if you're there and you're enjoying this live stream, please feel free to say anything in the chat section. I don't want to see the chat section blank. I want to see people up and hyping, okay? We are here together and let's share our minds together. So be open up. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you think about this. Tell me your ideas. Give me your ideas, guys. Let's share ideas together. I wouldn't want anything to that, and let's do this together, guys. As I said earlier, my name is Daniel Trader. My name is Daniel Live Trader, Daniel Super Trader, Daniel Trading. Those are all my names. As long as you see Daniel Super Trader, Daniel Live Trader, Daniel Trader, I am here to show you, and I'm here to give you the different strategies of the market. Daniel Trader has come in and is a new marketer right now, and is showing you the basics. If you look at my previous videos earlier, you get to know some of the other things that I love in the market. You get to see my inputs and calls mainly the gold OTC and the Brent oil OTC. I love that so much because they move so well. Okay, let's go. Wow, wow, wow. No, 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 yeah. Um, I, I. I took it. I took it. I took it. Fatini boy. Fatini boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. Woo. I need a bottle to pop. I wanna pop bottles. Yeah, I wanna pop bottles, guys. Oh shit. Yeah, I love profits, by the way. I love seeing winnings. I love seeing people winning. I love profits and I love winning. So oh oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyway, let's bear this together, guys. As I told you earlier, please, if you have an idea about anything, please feel free to tell me in the chat section, and feel free to tell me anything about you feel like. So let's open up together and let's join our heads together so that we can move on with along this and make sure that everything moves on sweet and smooth. Okay, so don't be there quiet and keeping your ideas together by yourself, guys. Please, let's share this information together And let's move out, share this information, and help everyone. Okay? If you have any glitch together, let's share it together. With the overall market trends, right now we can see that market is trending bullish and a higher time frame. So I'm looking at the key support of resistance levels, but entering mining trade, so you need to mind about the resistance levels and trend. Some trends be bullish, bearish. So trends can be bullish or bearish. Okay, I think guys know that. And major support and resistance, of course, and as I told you earlier, in the OTC, news does not affect the market. In the OTC, OTC is not affected by news because it is different, and that's why its trends are moving differently. Very malo. Oh, very malo. Wow, okay, this is interesting. This is interesting, by the way. This is interesting. Okay. I'm not scared, by the way. I'm not scared. So let's keep on moving. I have a feeling whereby the market knows. The market can be knowing that you're scared. So don't be scared. Don't be afraid, because the market will know. You're feeling goosebumps. Woo. Get ready to see. When you're feeling goosebumps, everything is going to be off the chest and off the hooks. People, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Share out to your friends, subscribe, like, notification, and I'm gonna be here every day, every time, same hours. We're gonna be teaching you our different styles, different inputs, different outputs. Some of the things will change because I'm a VIP, so unless you're a VIP too, and we can enjoy this together. Okay? Payouts are different. Normal payouts can be 80, 92, 90, but mine will be 99, 88, 85. In OTC markets, of course. The highest I've ever seen in OTC is, I think, 92%. The payout was 92%. So that was the highest I've ever seen in OTC market, and that is nice. Excuse me. Please, if you see a trade out there, before executing, first do the confirmation. First do the confirmation first. Don't execute a trade without a confirmation. And price is directed to this level because confirmation. And risk management, of course, is the key, guys. Remember that. Protect your risk, protect your profits, protect your capital. Don't overrate the market, and don't be impulsive about the market. Don't overchase the market. The market will come for you. The market will look for you. Don't chase the market. The market is crazy. The market can be rough. The market can be harsh. Oh my God. I would want to see you be like me. I lost quite a big number of cash, bro. I almost 200,000 grand. That's a lot. I lost a lot of cash, bro. And I wouldn't want to go back to that statement whereby I lost a lot in my session. And I suffered a lot because I lost a lot. So I want things to be different, by the way. I want things to be different for us together and you, me and you. I want things to be different. I want things to be out of the circle, okay? I wouldn't want to see. I don't want to see you going through the same way. I'm thinking about creating different things for us so that we can share knowledge. Where we can share our knowledge. So I'm thinking of different things together whereby we can share our knowledge. I'm thinking about different strategy, different areas where we can talk through together and let's share our minds. We share our perspective on things. So I'm waiting. I'm looking for different kinds of modulars, and as we go on together, we shall be seeing our different styles, different inputs, different outputs, and different strategies. So seatbelt on. Okay, make sure you're strapped because we're going in hard. Be strapped. Strap yourself. We're going in hard with this. I'm not leaving anyone behind. I didn't come here to leave anyone behind. If you feel like you're left behind, please feel free to say anything in the chat section. So I want to leave you behind, okay? Those who have just joined us, my name is Daniel. My name is Daniel Trader. Daniel Super Trading. Daniel Trading. Daniel is my name. And I'm here to show you different market strategies, different areas, in qualities, different involvements in trading. So everything is together, and we want to share everything together. So my mind is open for you guys, and please do the same for me, okay? Do the same for others, okay? That is why I open up this chat section. That's why it's open and free for you guys to chat, talk, share different inequities, different inputs, and share different strategies, okay? And hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Yes. We're gonna enjoy this, okay? So let's strap on, okay, guys, please. Wow, this market is looking nice, okay? These trends are looking beautiful. Are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Trends are looking beautiful. I love this. This is crazy. You can make a million in this, guys. You can make a million. Right now I'm moving slowly because I have a lot of the time. I have a lot of time. I have more time with you, so that's why I'm moving on slowly. I don't want to rush. I want to, But this, I'm enjoying. I'm loving this actually. Wow. Wow. Okay. Here it comes, and it is smooth. It is interesting. A candle here can be having like almost 100 pips, so it's crazy. It's crazy profits, guys. It's crazy income. Crazy. Oh shit. We are trading by the market. So anyone there who's talking about stop loss and take profit, no. We don't take that here. Here, we are moving by the market. We are moving time frame, and we are on a short time frame, so we can't, of course, improvise about the stop loss and the take profit. No. Our time frame is so small for that thing. We have a 15 seconds time frame. I'm on a 15 seconds time frame, and my candle time frame is 5 seconds. So you know what I'm talking about. This is fast execution and fast thinking, okay? Fast execution, fast thinking, fast developments, okay? So That's why I'm not leaving anyone behind. No lagging, no lagging, no lagging. I don't want to hear anything about lagging. No lagging, no lagging. Okay? The only difference I want to see here is wins and wins and wins. So if you're out there and you're winning out with me, drop in the chat section. Let's win together. The OTC market, as I told you, it's over the counter and it's really nice. So OTC market is basically the best actually, because it's not traded by news and it's not traded by anything. So it's not affected by anything, by the way. OTC market is basically great. I love OTC. OTC market is, I love them. It's not affected that much. You can make millions off OTC, and not everyone knows about the OTC market. Not everyone. Not everyone. It's a secret by the traders out there, and they won't tell you that this. They won't tell you these secrets. But I'm here to tell you a secret about trading. I'm gonna tell you every secret about trading. Wow, this is nice. This is really nice. Yele, yele. Yele, yele. Atini boy. Bonsoir, bonjour everyone. Okay, this is nice. This is nice actually, guys. This is nice. So let's keep up with this. I want more good news like this, eh? So I don't be scared. I love more good news like this. So I don't be scared. I want more good news. Where are you watching from, guys? Anyone, where are you watching from? Those who are watching, tell me down there, where are you watching from? Where are you at? Please tell me. I want to know. You might be my neighbor. So tell me, guys, where are you watching from? Where are you trading from? And let's share our thoughts together, and we see where we can move out, and we can see where we can imply about that. I can see where I can modify about that. I might modify your section, so tell me about that, okay? Gonna surely, gonna surely, surely, gonna surely.